Salam everyone, this is Sumi back again with yet another episode here on What's Going On by Sumi, powered by Deplex. Well, you know the ritual of the show. We start off with the latest trends of hair and makeup courtesy of Deplex. Let's go and check it out. Gentlemen, welcome back, and now it's time for me to introduce you guys to my guest. Believe it or not, this guest of mine was kind enough to come in again because we had already recorded the show. Because of some technical issue, we could not release that episode then, but we're back again with none other than the man himself, Munib Nawaz. How are you? Awesome.
You guys shot with me earlier as well?
No, it's been God knows eons ago.
Yeah.
You don't even remember.
I don't even know what happened, man. I know what you did last summer though.
How have you been?
Good, man. You tell what is up.
बस दुनिया बदल गई तब से लेके अब तक pandemic आ गया है. How's it
कुछ भी
been?
नहीं बदला, man. Nothing's changed.
Same.
It is. मतलब except maybe a virus that's added to the world.
Yeah.
Nothing else has changed. I am me, you are you. These guys have started doing the same thing that they
Life
were doing
is the
before
same?
COVID.
Really?
I think so. मतलब I've if there has been any change, I think it's been for the better.
That's amazing that you're saying that. That's a
Yeah.
very positive thought. And positive thoughts, Yada, you've been doing a lot of live sessions during the pandemic,
Yes.
and you've been very motivational, very inspiring, and bringing all the good points about the whole pandemic.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
So what happened was, I think very early on during the lockdown, I think it was the third day, I was meeting a couple of my friends who were very successful entrepreneurs, but one of them especially was really out of it. He was feeling like he could not see things in the future. He was not being able to predict or maybe even get his head around the whole situation. So he was losing his whole sort of like grasp on life.
Right.
And these are very successful people, and it's not like, and they are celebrities in their own cause.
Right.
तो मुझे लगा कि यार अगर ये लोग इस तरह सोच रहे हैं,
Demoralizing.
तो I can't get involved with either these guys. I either need to fix them because they're my friends.
Right.
And then if they have this issue, then that means so many other people have this issue.
Absolutely.
And I have a knack of looking at things slightly differently. So I was like, why not use this time to rekindle myself into who I wanted to be? Because I've been hosting a lot of my life. So I thought, everybody's home. तो सबको एक कॉल करते हैं. I spoke to some of the inspiring people who inspire me, and मैंने कहा यार चलो एक गपशप लगाते हैं, and let's see what can we do to help others. We did 52 episodes back to back every day without a single break. Then we took the Eid break or something. Then we took 50 episodes again. So we hit 100 during the pandemic. So उसके अंदर I was trying to motivate people to get out because मौसम अच्छा था, कुछ और करने को नहीं था, रोड पे निकलो, भागना शुरू कर दो.
Right.
Get into a healthy activity. A lot of people were doing cycling. I didn't get the knack of cycling. I was like,
I tried
got
doing
my
that
own
too,
feet.
and I was done. Yeah, I was done with
so
it.
that's how the whole pandemic sort of situation kind of panned out for me.
That was brilliant.
It was
I was
fun.
doing it too, and I think
Yeah, you were. Yeah.
disconnect जो आया वो इस वजह से आया when things started getting better, people started going to work, and वो time वगैरह नहीं match कर रहा था.
No, you were doing a great job. I
Thank
saw quite
you.
a few of your episodes.
Thank
They were
you.
very cool. Yeah.
Same purpose. But when it comes to pushing boundaries, you're one person who comes at the top of my list. Always pushing boundaries, always challenging not only yourself but also people around you. Can challenge yourself. What is it that you can achieve? If you feel for something, go for it.
Yeah.
Don't give it a second thought.
Yeah.
Does failure at any point comes to your mind? What if I don't do well in this? Does that stop you?
I hope there is failure. I pray for failure.
You do?
Yeah, because without failure, you don't really know what you're set out for. Failure is a step to success. Failure isn't a bad thing.
Right.
It's like मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ और मैं उससे पहले failure is पानी गर्म करना. पानी गर्म किए बगैर आप चाय नहीं बना सकते.
या मैं जल जाऊंगा अगर चाय मेरे ऊपर गिरा तो मैं
इतना भी ना सोचें. देखो failure is
वही
just a step.
Right.
हम उसको एंटेगनाइज आप लोगों ने किया हुआ है, मैंने नहीं किया हुआ. मेरे लिए तो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है वो. Deep down inside, you know you can do better than where you are today. That's as simple as that. The only वो is हमने ने fear of failure एक चीज बना दी हुई. I don't know what that is. It is not a fear of failure. It is a fear. So basically, you know, there is fear and there's failure. Those are two very different things. The failure is a step to success and the fear is a blockage.
Right.
जब आप fear को देख रहे होते हो तो आप basically what you're doing is you're stopping movement. And hence you either become depressed or you become anxious.
And then going back to your Insta Live sessions, there were so many different topics that you touched. And recently you posted something that was regarding young couples. And you went back in time. You know, you and Rabia being together with the little one, and you realized, you know, how much you missed, you did not miss, or how you dealt with it at that time. What do you have to say to the young couples? Because there's so many that we know, and they're struggling.
So everybody does their best, right? And now that we are slightly older young couples, so what I kind of learned was कि देखो अब जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो हम लोग उसके लिए full we dive into it without, and also because our kind of situation is kindly weird because we are both parenting without our parents. Like my mother's away, Rabia's वो, and so चक्कर ये है कि हम लोगों के ऊपर से ना एक वो गाइडिंग फोर्स जो एक होती है कि बड़े कहते हैं जी ऐ कर ले वो कर ले, या कोई घर पे बड़ा होता है या खाला होती है या फुप्पो होती है या ताई होती है या कोई भी होता है जो कि who are constantly there. So we were in a slightly interesting place in life. So we just dissolved our lives into a Cerelac bowl and said कि अब यही तुम खा लो type situation. But when they started growing up, we started realizing, and I say that to younger couples as well, कि अगर आप लोग अपनी ज़िंदगी पे खुश नहीं होंगे ना तो आप अपने बच्चे के साथ, हम प्रिटेंस में बहुत खुश रहते हैं और हम लोग एक्चुअली भी खुश होते हैं, बट देयर इज दैट समथिंग मिसिंग एंड दैट स्पार्क, दैट समथिंग इज you two. And when that you two becomes one, it's a great feeling for the kids, yourself and the world around you.
So that was very important in your relationship, you realize, and now mashallah they've grown up. They're two now from then to now.
Yeah.
So by the second baby you guys had realized कि अच्छा ये इस तरह नहीं अच्छा नहीं second baby
ये तो अभी realization हुई है,
अभी hit किया.
This is now when Jibril is 7. Yeah, because we had, you know, we have completely stopped going out for like, you know, social events, unless they're family centric.
Right.
So वो उस दिन that was possibly one, I think in our life in the last 7 odd years, I think we went out like 4 or 5 times.
Yeah, it was so good to see you guys back in action after a long time.
But we also learned that we didn't miss much. वही सारे हमारे दोस्त हैं, वही बातें हैं, वही कपड़े हैं, वही हरकतें हैं. So we were fine. We went out with like अच्छा ठीक है अगले हफ्ते घर पे चल के बर्गर खाते हैं घर पे.
Life is good.
Yeah.
Right. So now that Rabia is coming back with her brand and full throttle lagi bhi hai, Kashmir?
Yes.
And she's so into it.
Yes.
She always was into her work.
Yeah.
So how does it feel, both of you being in the same field? You guys met at a set. You know, she was styling also, you were also styling. So how is it sharing the same profession?
Dude, I think there could be nothing better because then the other person understands what you go through every day. You know, the grind, the fabric, the dyeing, the embroidery walas, you know, the customers, the payment structures, the weeklies, you know, all of that jing bang.
Really detail.
So, you know, when you say something like, for instance, if she was an IT person or she was a, you know, like an architect or a doctor or मैं उसको कहता है यार मैंने weekly
What is this?
I'll have to explain the whole process. So now I don't have to. And abhi to, matlab, she's a very passionate person, and for her, we still haven't even figured out where she's going to go with the whole situation, but she is very passionate.
So do you have any cooking show coming up?
No, I don't know. I didn't know what's coming up. I'm just going with the flow right now. I have a couple of things that need to be
Your
done.
show is something that people are waiting for because the promo was amazing.
Oh, that thing? Yes. I'm looking forward to that. Let's hope that it gets out the way people expect it to, or the way we want it to, because we've put our heart and soul in it.
And you're acting उसमें.
And I'm
आपने एक वो scene डाला था, yeah.
उसके अंदर, no, so the way the director and the producer have envisioned the whole thing, I think it's going to take Inspector Jamshed to a whole new level, and I think the most important thing in that is that they're keeping it very Pakistani hero. It's not an Indian hero, it's not an international hero, it's something that is story, because these stories are the stories that we've kind of grown up with. We've known Inspector Jamshed and the series and all of the, so he's our quintessential local
Hero.
average man hero. He's a family man. He's got that quirk in him, so वो कभी किसी बात का सीधा जवाब नहीं देता. So that kind of came naturally into me.
मतलब उसको वो तो act out करना ही नहीं पड़ा ना.
So उसके अंदर वो वाला जो पार्ट था कि अच्छा यार ये तो नहीं करना है.
अच्छा.
ये इस तरह के आता वो होता. So it was kind of natural, but I feel that the storytelling is also very interesting. Like if you read the novels and you get that stuff in, I think जो इनका विजन है ना वो बहुत ग्रैंड है. I just hope कि हम वो ग्रैंडोर के अंदर गुम ना जाएं, but we get to communicate that this for me is setting a precedent for future storytelling for Pakistan.
Right.
Okay, the kids need to be writing their own stories now that they are facing, that they want, so that the literature of Pakistan comes back, because Pakistani literature is beautiful.
Well, you know the ritual of the show because हम लोग ने एक अर्सा पहले किया था. मैंने आपको स्टॉक किया, मैंने 3 तस्वीरें निकाली आपके Instagram अकाउंट से.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you the picture. You're gonna tell me the story.
Okay, if there is one.
Okay, so I came across this picture and it looks lovely. Everyone is in a great mood, great spirit.
Oh, so this is the fashion show finale at the Hum Showcase last year. The team of Chalawa is the style director for Chalawa, the movie with Mehwish and Asfar and Ashir and Zara Noor Abbas and Asad.
I can see her head from one corner. Yeah.
So it was a big happy family. It was a fun Tareen film. It was a great project to be a part of. So when we were doing showcase, I was like, they said, can you bring some star power? I was like, bajing! So yeah.
I'll bring you star power. You asked for it.
Yeah.
And this is like fully packed.
This is super packed.
Yeah, like from left to right. I mean, ek se badkar ek.
Yeah, so these guys were very kind. These guys are super nice to me. They didn't have to, but they all agreed on doing this, and they were very kind. Yeah.
Brilliant.
And when they come on stage, the stage just lights up, man. These guys have, when you say these people, when they're called stars, they're called stars for a particular reason. They shine. When the time comes, these guys bring in the heat. Like when Asfar and Mehwish walked the ramp, she owned it, man. That, I don't even know how she does it. Zara. And these guys are super awesome. Even Asad, I love the way he's kind of upped his game in the last few years. I think it's super cool.
Amazing. They're working very hard, all of them.
Yeah.
And this was a session that I found it to be like very, very interesting.
Yes, this was a very interesting one.
This guy has some insane following.
He does.
And जिस तरह आप इसके बड़े भाई बने हुए थे ना उस टाइम पे, वो मुझे याद. So tell me about this.
So Shavir, I think, is a very, very strong future player and the current player in the world. I think not just limited to Pakistan. I think he's got a big following across the Iran, Afghanistan, Canada, America. Yeah.
Achha.
So he's got a big following. He's got, I think, 4-5 million subscribers on his page or on his YouTube, which is insane. Plus, he's got a very smart head on his shoulder, and also because he's gone through the grind. He used to work in a food chain, cleaning up the place and making his videos. So as much as people see the his glam and the funny skitty part, when I met him, we had a really interesting conversation कि यार ये तो बच्चा इससे बहुत ज़्यादा smart है.
And this picture I thought was very special to me also because I hosted this show with
Obviously,
you.
because this picture has Sumi J in it, man. Is there anybody else in it? That's all I can see. Oh, Ali
Your wife is there, right next
Ali
to you.
Zafar bhi hai, haan.
आपका दोस्त ताहा भी है.
हाँ, मतलब I was just kidding if there's anybody else. But yeah, so this is when both of us were hosting the music launch for Tifa.
Yes, I think.
Yes, it was the music launch at Tifa and we had a lot of fun.
We did. मेरा
किसकी
जो जूते का strap.
हाँ, जूती किसी की टूट गई थी.
और मुझे मुनीम घसीटता हुआ ला रहा था because वो एक चैनल पे लाइव जा रहा था उस टाइम पे.
Yes. But I think Tifa was one of the best movies. In Pakistan, and Ali is somebody I respect a lot. In fact, Ali ka bhi jo live session that was ridiculously good.
I missed that.
Oh, I think Zena might have it, so I'll send it to you. But it was supremely good. Like his thought process, I think he's one of the hardest workers in the country.
Yes.
So, and his philosophies or thinking process is supremely inspiring for me. Noman Ijaz was super cool. Sajad Bhai came on the show and he doesn't do a lot of these interviews and situations, but he's like, "Achha, mere saath unka
You
bachpan
connect
ke."
to them all to a personal level, na? So
Exactly.
that's what it is.
I think that's also because I respect them as the human being that they are beyond the professional that they are.
Right, absolutely.
And मेरी उनसे जब भी गपशप होती है तो वो it is always to the person and the human rather than the brand.
The brand or the celebrity or whatever they are. Yeah. So real quickly, Muneeb, I'm gonna ask you quick questions. I know you have someone waiting outside who's a very special person in all of our lives also. आप ये घंटी जरा पकड़ते हैं? आपको 5 सेकंड में दूंगी. आपसे मैं एक सवाल पूछूंगी. You have to answer it and go ting.
Go ting.
Okay, we're gonna start. Ready? Okay. Last 3 things you Googled.
Jalal Sons. Noon Juice. And I don't know. Some music that I was looking for. I don't know. Some Draconian or something like that.
मुनीब ये 5 सेकंड से बहुत लंबा हो गया. बेल भी नहीं बजाया आपने. 2 people you stalk on Insta.
Oh, that chick, man. That really hardcore bodybuilder type person. What was her name? I think one of them, I know. So one is The Rock, obviously, for sure. And the other one is that Sandria Greca or Rubabali.
Okay. What's your worst habit you will never break? You just can't break it.
Happiness.
Happiness. Have you ever gotten into a fist fight?
Yes.
Yes! ओह उसने जबड़ा तोड़ा आपने उसका जबड़ा तोड़ा.
This broke, this broke, this broke.
May I ask you something?
No.
This I've been asking so much. This fit Muneeb Nawaz that we see, the really fit Muneeb Nawaz. Physically, have you ever had any kind of insecurity at any point in life?
Always.
Always?
Yeah.
Sure.
We are the sum of our insecurities and we should enjoy it. It's okay to be
It's
insecure.
okay.
Yeah, it's a very cool part of you.
Right. A silly thing you're afraid of.
A what? A silly thing?
Some silly thing. जैसे मेरे गर्दन को कोई अगर इस तरह हाथ लगाए तो
you
मैं
have that, yeah. You go psycho on
I go
them.
psycho.
A silly thing I'm afraid of, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, last one.
A ringing bell. Oh, I'm actually afraid of my phone ringing.
Hey?
Yeah, hence I don't carry a phone. My position has it.
हाँ वैसे that's true. He will answer God knows कब आपने फोन किया था. हाँ मुनीब तब किया था. अब बात
4 दिन हो गए.
अब 4 दिन हो गए.
कभी-कभी 4 महीने भी हो जाते हैं.
What's one thing you've tried and you'll never do it again?
Nothing.
Well, okay. मैं आपको फिर भी ये दूंगी क्योंकि आपकी घंटी इतनी consistently बजती रही है. This is from the bestest cheese in the world, Happy Cow की तरफ से.
PR charges me for this shit. I don't even eat processed cheese.
This thing is not
I don't even eat processed cheese.
All right, Munib, thank you so very much for taking out time. I'm so emotional right now. की वजह से. But thank you once again. मुझे आप ऑमलेट बना के दें या कुछ और.
चीज का ऑमलेट बना के दो.
बना देना.
अंडे कहाँ हैं?
तो बनाएंगे ना जब अंडे आएंगे.
नहीं तो अंडे भी लेके आ. चीज का कौन?
ऑयल भी ला के दो, सब कुछ मैं ला के दो मुनीब.
हाँ नहीं ऑयल होता है. Yeah, but there's margarine. I can cook your egg.
He's gonna make the burgers tonight, so that's what's happening tonight.
Burgers for sure.
Just.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Munib.
Thank you so much, man.
And moving on to the next segment with an expert from Deplex. Let's see what they have in store for you.
Maybe some cheese.
Hi everyone, and we're back with the segment where we bring you guys an expert from Deplex. This time around we have Fatima Noor. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
बस ठीक ठाक. कैसे चल रहा है सब कुछ? All good?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सब good और fit फाट जा रहा है. आप
Very nice, very nice. आप बहुत busy रही हैं shoots के साथ.
Exactly.
बहुत सारा काम हो रहा है.
बहुत सारा काम हो रहा है.
चलें, अल्लाह का शुक्र है पेंडेमिक के टाइम में हम लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं, कुछ तो कर रहे हैं, जिंदगी आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं. पर मूविंग ऑन फातिमा, हम लोग इस सेगमेंट में बेसिकली ये करते हैं कि फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम में हम लोग अपने क्लाइंट्स से या जितने भी हमारे फॉलोअर्स हैं उनको कहते हैं कि जो भी आपके सवालात हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेकअप एंड हेयर वो हमें भेजें एंड उसका जो भी सोल्यूशन होगा आपके पास या जो भी एक्सपर्ट हमारे पास आते हैं वो सोल्यूशन शेयर करते हैं. सो आज आपका काम ये है. सो लेट्स सी, आज हमने हमें किससे पहला सवाल भेजा है. दैट इज मिसेस तनवीर. शी इज सेइंग, इज हेयर ग्लॉसिंग इम्पोर्टेंट? ये मेरा भी हमेशा सवाल होता है आपसे.
एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि ये इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हमारे पास जब क्लाइंट डाई या हाईलाइट्स के लिए चले जाते हैं तो आफ्टर शैम्पू आपका कलर जो है वो फेड होना शुरू हो जाता है. तो ग्लॉसिंग का बेसिक पर्पज़ ही है कि आपका कलर रिफ्रेश रहे, प्लस आपके बालों में शाइन और आपका टेक्सचर वो बहुत अच्छा करता है. तो इसलिए ग्लॉसिंग बेसिकली बहुत ज़रूरी है.
अच्छा.
डिपेंड है कि एवरी 1.5 मंथ या 2 मंथ्स के बाद आप लाजमी करवाएं.
ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मोहसिना अकरम ने आपके लिए सवाल भेजा है. How necessary is it to get hair treatment done after keratin or extenso?
Exactly. क्योंकि हमारे पास जब क्लाइंट केराटिन और एक्सटेंसो के लिए होके जाते हैं तो हम उन्हें होम केयर के लिए शैम्पू, मास्क एंड सीरम रिकमेंड करते हैं जो कि बेसिकली आपका केराटिन और एक्सटेंसो की लाइफ को लॉन्ग करता है.
अच्छा.
मेन वाइज अगर आप जो हम आपको रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं आप यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं और वही टिपिकल अपना शैम्पू और कंडीशनर यूज़ करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली केराटिन और एक्सटेंसो की लाइफ कम होना शुरू हो जाएगी. तो ये ज़रूर मेक श्योर रखें. और सेकंड ये कि एवरी 2 मंथ्स के बाद आप एक प्रोटीन ट्रीटमेंट है जो सिर्फ 30 मिनट्स का होता है वो ज़रूर लें.
ठीक है, साउंड्स गुड. फरा अहमद हमें ये पूछ रही हैं, आई एम गेटिंग मैरिड इन जनवरी, कांग्रेचुलेशंस. देसी टोटका दैट यू रिकमेंड यू कैन फॉर हेयर केयर.
देसी टोटका
सब टोटके इनके पास हैं.
एग्जैक्टली मेरे पास काफ़ी है. इनफैक्ट अगर ये फेसबुक पे जाएं तो उसमें भी ये देख सकते हैं. एक तो बेसिक ये कि जो आपको सूट करता है ऑयल आप वो यूज़ करें. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं तो क्योंकि विंटर है तो मैं कोकोनट ऑयल जो है वो ज़्यादा प्रेफर करती हूँ. एंड सेकंड ये कि आपका बाल जो है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप अंडा और दही का इस्तेमाल करें. यू नो कि दही में एक अंडा फेंटें और उसको 15 मिनट्स बालों पे लगा दें, देन शैम्पू कर दें तो उससे भी बहुत फ़र्क पड़ेगा.
अच्छा.
तो ये छोटा ऑयलिंग एंड ये जो अपने बाल जो हैं वो ड्राई होने से बचाएं. जितना आप ऑयल रखेंगे मॉइस्चराइजर रहेंगे बाल तो बालों का टेक्सचर
Especially in this season, I guess.
Exactly.
Right? Okay. Now Rabia Masood is saying, can split ends be treated?
नो एग्जैक्टली हम रिकमेंड करते हैं कि आप ट्रिम करवाएं. एवरी 1.5 या 2 मंथ्स के बाद अपने बालों की ट्रिमिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है. हाँ, उसके बाद ये होता है कि अगर आप रात में सो रहे हैं तो कोई भी आप बेसिक कोई भी कोकोनट ऑयल लें या पैसिफिक जो आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसको आप लेंथ एंड एंड्स पे अप्लाई करके छोड़ दें. रूट्स पे नहीं, बिल्कुल के बाद जो आपका वो एग्जैक्टली वो ड्राई ना रहे और सुबह उठ के आप वॉश कर लें.
Okay, great. Sarah Fahim हमें कह रही हैं, everyone wants to stay on trend when it comes to hair color. What are you recommending these days? And if the client's preference and hair texture is not suitable, what do you recommend then? जो कि ये हमेशा मेरे साथ होता है कि सुमी आप ना करें, खुदा का वास्ता है.
क्योंकि हमें बालों का टेक्सचर देखना होता है कि आपके बालों का टेक्सचर कैसा है,
बिल्कुल।
और उसके बाद ही हम क्लाइंट का जो रिक्वायर्ड है वो कलर है या हाइलाइट्स है, तो देन हम फिर उनको मूव करते हैं कि जी ये आपके लिए बेहतर रहेगा या नहीं। तो स्टैंड टेस्ट बेसिक बहुत ज़रूरी है।
अच्छा।
उसके बाद ही हम क्लाइंट की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उस पर जाते हैं।
हाँ, otherwise you won't get what you want because it
Exactly.
has to suit your hair, your skin tone. वो तो बात की बात है, but
Exactly.
texture is the most important thing because literally आपके हाथ में बाल आ सकते हैं अगर आप अपनी मर्जी करेंगे। सायरा अली हमसे पूछ रही हैं tips to remove and cover blemishes.
एग्जैक्टली अगर तो ये बेसिक आप कवर कराना चाह रहे हैं मेकअप से, तो आपको जैसे पता है कि MM की जो फाउंडेशंस हैं वो हाई कवरेज हैं। जितने भी जिन क्लाइंट्स को ये प्रॉब्लम होती है उनके लिए बेसिक हमारे पास हर टोन की फाउंडेशन मौजूद है, और जो आपके ये फुल फेस को कवर करता है और एक वन टोन की तरफ ला सकते हैं।
Right.
और सेकंड ये कि अगर आप इससे ज़्यादा आपको मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं तो डेफिनेटली आप ट्रीटमेंट स्किन के जो होते हैं वो करवाएं, ताकि ये आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आपका
कम होता
जाएगा।
कम होता है और ज़्यादा ना हो with time. And Mrs. Ali is saying, I have small eyes. What do I do to make them look big?
ये तो हम मेकअप से ही कर सकते हैं। डेफिनेटली जिनकी आईज बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी हैं, स्मॉल हैं, तो मैंने अक्सर ऐसा देखा है कि वो लोग जो हैं वो ज़्यादातर काजल लगा लेते हैं। आप जितना आईज को अपनी काजल से दूर रखेंगे, आपकी जो आईज है वो उतनी प्रोमिनेंट होगी। वाइट पेंसिल यूज़ करें, और जितना आप लिफ्ट की जो मेकअप होता है लिफ्ट करके आप यूज़ करेंगे तो आपकी आंखें जो हैं वो नेचुरली
वाइडर लगेंगी। राइट, सो मूविंग ऑन, आपके सवालात इतने ही थे आज के लिए। एंड अब जो फातिमा है वो आपके लिए लुक्स लेकर आई हैं। दीज आर द लुक्स दैट शी इज़ क्रिएटेड फॉर वेरियस स्टार्स, बिकॉज ये जाती हैं डिफरेंट शूट्स में, प्लेज हों, मूवीज़ हों, एंड आपने कुछ एक्टर्स अपने पिक किए हैं। एंड मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि आपने ये लुक्स स्पेसिफिकली क्यों लिए। So I think let's start off with Ali Kazmi because Ali Kazmi Golden Globes में अब उनका ये नॉमिनेशन भी आई है मूवी की। So I think Ali Kazmi की बात करते हैं। इनकी ये जो लुक है जो आपने चूज की हुई है,
जी।
So इस लुक के बारे में मुझे बताएं कि what was special about it, and I'm sure all the guys would want to get this look at home.
Exactly.
So how can they do this?
ये बेसिक बाजी मूवी थी जिसमें अली काज़मी का हमने गेटअप किया था।
अच्छा।
क्योंकि इसका रोल भी थोड़ा नेगेटिव था मूवी में। और एक लग्जरी लाइफ जो एक मॉडल गुजारता है उसको भी हमने शो ऑफ कराना था। तो बेसिक जो अली की है बहुत आप देख सकते हैं कि मूवी में इसकी हमने डिफरेंट जो लुक्स है क्रिएट किया है। कभी हमने ऑल बैक उसके जेल किया हुआ है बाल, कभी हमने बहुत रफ उसके बालों को स्टाइलिंग की है। अकॉर्डिंग उसी तरह उसके लुक के अकॉर्डिंग ही हमने उसका हेयर एंड मेकअप किया है कि जो डायरेक्टर की डिमांड थी उसके मुताबिक जो है उसका जो लुक है वो हम कर सकें।
और the beard, इधर इस वाली लुक
और ये इसका बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हुआ था। और क्योंकि जैसे आपको पता है कि हमारे पास लॉन्ज में भी आते हैं लोग, तो अक्सर वो कहते थे कि जी हमारा ये फंक्शन है, ये इवेंट है, तो हमें अली काज़मी की लुक चाहिए। तो बेसिक ये है कि इसका हमने बियर्ड, और आप देख सकते हैं कि बियर्ड और विद उसके जो हेयर स्टाइलिंग है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हमने ड्रामेटिक तौर पे इसको प्रेजेंट किया है। और जितना हमें इसके इन लुक के साथ मज़ा आया था, क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा जो डिमांडिंग थी वो अली काज़मी ही था। और आपको ये पता है कि बेसिक वो पर्सनली तो मैं उनके खुद भी फ़ैन हूँ, बहुत अच्छे इंसान है। तो एग्जैक्ट तो बहुत सी चीज़ों का क्या उनका सीन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें फिर आपको पता है कि जाना होता है कि सीन के अकॉर्डिंग ही मेकअप और हेयर करते हैं हम।
जी of course. So you can get the look and it's very sleek. He's got a beard जो कि हर मेहंदियों पे I've noticed our guys going for the beard look and the hair. So it's got
कहीं इसका डॉन लुक भी आ रहा है टाइप,
kind of sort of if you say so. जी. And the next look you've picked is Amina Sheikh. She looks absolutely stunning and the way you've done the hair and makeup, अगर आप इसके बारे में थोड़ा हमें बताएं ये क्या लुक है and कैसे इसको दोबारा से हमारे व्यूअर्स कॉपी कर सकते हैं बेसिकली घर पे।
अच्छा, बेसिक जो आमना की हमने लुक की है क्योंकि ये गैंगस्टर एक की जो है ना वो हेड थी
अच्छा
मूवी में।
अच्छा।
और इसकी जो लुक है वो भी आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने बिल्कुल हाई पोनी किया है, बिल्कुल स्लीक उसके बाल रखे हुए हैं और बहुत न्यूड मेकअप किया है, स्मोकी आईज के साथ न्यूड लिप्स हैं। और विद आप देख सकते हैं इस लुक में हमने काफ़ी हाइलाइटर्स का भी इस्तेमाल किया। एग्जैक्टली, तो जो इसकी फुल
कंटूरिंग से आई हुई है
उन्हें प्रोमिनेंट किया है। तो आप लुक देख सकते हैं कि इनकी बहुत मॉडर्न और
ये डे में भी ये मेकअप हो सकता है।
ये डे में हो सकता है।
For the luncheons, you go out, ladies, and your kitty parties and all. I can see you guys in this look. You can do it, and even the hairdo. I think for evening, it's absolutely great. You can absolutely go for it. So it's a sleek look, and it looks really very nice. If you want to, guys, redo it, absolutely go for it for any day look also. So the next one is Ali Rahman. Again, I noticed the beard, but the hair is done differently. आपने partition निकाली हुई है, and it's I think shorter hair also, and ऊपर से ये जो सामने से puff देते हैं। So इस look के बारे में बताएं कि
ये बेसिक हीर मांझा मूवी का सीन हम कर रहे थे। बेसिक ये कोई एक ऑफिस बॉय आप देख सकते हैं कि उसने टाई भी लगाया और एग्जैक्टली उसके अकॉर्डिंग किया। अली रहमान जो है वो आपको सबको ही पता है कि बहुत डिमांडिंग जो है ना एक्टर है,
कॉन्शियस है,
बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस है। तो सो अली रहमान की जो इसमें भी बहुत सारी डिफरेंट लुक हैं। इसमें हमने बेसिक इनका आपने देखे कि वॉल्यूम के साथ हमने हेयर स्टाइलिंग की है।
जी।
उसको मेंटेन करने के लिए हमें जेल और हेयर स्प्रे और टॉपिंग का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ा है ताकि जो बेसिक
इनके एक्सट्रीम पार्टीशन है।
एग्जैक्टली वन साइड पे है इसका, वन साइड पे। और आप इनके मेकअप लुक भी देख सकते हैं कि बिल्कुल वो एक नेचुरल लुक रखा है। ऐसा नहीं है कि अली रहमान जब स्क्रीन पे आए तो वो बिल्कुल ही के चेंज लग रहे हो। तो जो बेसिक उनके फीचर है सिर्फ उनको इन्हेंस करना होता है।
बिल्कुल
स्क्रीन के अकॉर्डिंग आपको पता है कि मेकअप जो है वो जितना वो सॉफ्ट और नेचुरल लगे वो उतना ही
बिल्कुल
स्क्रीन पे भी अच्छा लगता है।
बिल्कुल, and makes his face look slimmer,
slim or
leaner. Yeah. And of course the beard, automatically guys get away with the double chin and everything. वो एक naturally उनको contouring मिल जाती है। So there you go. So anyone who has a double chin issue like I do, so you are lucky to have a beard. So you guys can definitely go for this look, whether it's your office look or for a mehndi or anything. It's very sleek, very nice. Will make you look very chic, guys. Thank you very much, Fatma, for joining me.
You're welcome.
And inshallah, आपसे next episode में मिलते हैं. All right, thank you. We've reached the end of the show. It was quite entertaining. It was great having Munir Nawaz here, and I hope you guys enjoyed all the looks and, of course, the tips from the experts from Deplex. This is Sumi saying Bamana Khuda. I shall catch you guys next week with yet another guest, more looks, and of course, tips courtesy of Deplex. Enjoy yourselves. Have a great evening.